Hey guys, Dotson Guys here with MarineMax Charleston. Today I want to showcase a brand new 2020 Scout 195. I'm sitting in this wide cockpit in the transom with our two port and starboard captain's chairs here in the back. Notice there's a nice and easy grab handle right here to the side, as well as you pull yourself up. We do have rod storage on both port and starboard. There is LED lit blue lights underneath there standard. But as we look underneath these hatches in the back, you have nice big storage, both port and starboard, so those mimic each other. We do have the standard Yamaha 115 with the standard hydraulic steering in the back. And as we move in, you guys will see the swim platform in the back that's also standard. Moving a little further to the leaning post, we do have the standard leaning post, which is a convertible live well. You can fit two fenders down there for storage, so keep that in mind. It doubles. Pop-out backrest, so you can expose additional rod holders. There is a flip-out step here in the floor, so for the shorter people in life, we can keep our feet from hanging. Glove box storage that is lockable with 12-volt and USB charging ports. The standard dual batteries are select switch. And we have our standard tacks from Yamaha, all of our switching, as well as a tiltable helm with steering assist knob. And again, these are all standard functions from Scout boats. Option-wise, we do have the Bluetooth Fusion stereo accompanied by 4 speakers equipped in this boat. This boat also has the Scout Bimini top. So that opens up and expands to the forward here, giving us nice shade. As we move to the bow, we have a huge sun lounge with backrest in the back of the boat. You can lift this cushion up very easily. That's hinged over here on the starboard side, allowing us to expose the big dry storage for all of our day bags and excess gear. A little bit further forward, we do have the recessed anchor locker with pop-up cleats all the way throughout. I want to take a moment. As you walk through, if you decide to fish this boat has a huge gunnel all the way around, nice and easy to move on, very safely and securely. So if you do want to fish, you rip that cushion out and you have a nice casting platform. As we look a little further back, there are cup holders up front. We have the standard Igloo cooler with backrest, and as well as underneath that, we have access to our dual batteries, as I mentioned earlier. We'll come around here and show you the last bit of storage in our lockable console. Nice, clean, finished console, and you can get an optional porta potty if you like that to be added. Guys, I hope you enjoyed our tour of our 2020 Scout 195. Again, my name is Dotson Guys with MarineMax. If you guys have any questions, feel free to call us at 843-747-1889. Thanks, guys.